In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file to your Shopify store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get a PDF into Shopify and how to use its links so customers can download things like size guides, manuals, or digital resources directly from your site. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, you'll see the usual overview of your store: orders, analytics, and sales. This is your control center, and it's where we'll start the process. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and click on Content. This section is where Shopify keeps things like files and other assets you might use across your store. We're heading here because PDFs are treated as files that you can upload once and reuse wherever you need them. Inside the Content area, find and click on Files. The Files page is essentially your media library. Here you can see all the images, documents, and other files you've already added to Shopify. If this is a new store, it might look a bit empty, and that's completely fine. Now, look for the button that says Upload Files and click on it. This tells Shopify you want to add something new to your library. A file picker or dialog box from your computer will appear. In that file picker, navigate to the folder on your device where your PDF is saved. This could be your Downloads folder, your desktop, or a specific project folder. Select the PDF file you want to upload. It's a good idea to give your PDF a clear, descriptive name before uploading, so it's easy to recognize later when you're searching for it in Shopify. Once you've selected the PDF, confirm the selection, then click on Done. Shopify will upload the file, and after a moment, you should see it appear in the files list. If the file is large, give it a few seconds to finish uploading. When the upload is complete, you'll see that Shopify has generated a URL for that PDF. This link is what makes your PDF usable on your storefront. You can copy this link and paste it into a product description, a page, a blog post, or even a button. For example, in a product description, you can highlight some text like download the user manual, click the link icon, paste the PDF URL, and save. Now customers can click that text and download the PDF directly. And that's all there is to it. Upload the PDF into Files, copy the link, and use it wherever you need a downloadable PDF on your Shopify store.